and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to another reviews video. Today I'm going to review the Earth Rhythm Hyaluronic Acid. So it's been more than a month that I'm using the Earth Rhythm 10% niacinamide, ceramide complex and hyaluronic acid. This is made in India, 100% made in India. It's a barrier support serum and this product is vegetarian, it is pet friendly, it is certified and all the good stuff. This product has all the good stuff, and hyaluronic acid is a humectant which helps people with dry skin to keep dry skin at bay. So I am somebody who has really dry skin, and if I don't moisturize my skin every morning, you can see flakes all over my nose and a little bit on my cheek and stuff like that, which does not look good, especially when you're going out or even when you're at home. You need to keep your skin moisturized because that's very important once you wash your face. So I came across this product and started using it and I loved it. The packaging of this product is also very good. So it comes in a sturdy box, a cardboard tiny sturdy box, and this is 30 ml bottle. So it comes in a white ceramic bottle and it has a tiny clip over here so that you can keep it closed all the time, and it has a tiny pump. This one's really good and the product is very potent. I know that the product is very potent because if you open this up, you'll get a little bit of white residue on the outside. So when you get such residue on the outside, it's a clear signal that the product is potent, because these are all chemicals good for your skin. These are like amazing things for your skin. So my take on this product is that it is amazing. Go ahead, buy this product. This humectant, the hyaluronic acid and niacinamide 10% from Earth Rhythm is a big yes from me for everybody with dry skin. Since you're a dry skin person, and if you at all you guys would go to buy this product, I would like to give you one tip. If you stay in a humid country or a humid place, there's no necessary reason for you to use a moisturizer, but it's always great after using a serum like this, you have to put a moisturizer. But if at all you live in a dry place like where I live, then you need moisturizer, because if you do not put moisturizer, your skin's only going to get dry. So do that, make your research before you buy hyaluronic acid or niacinamide or any of that, but go ahead and buy this product. It's amazing. A big thumbs up for me. I hope you guys like my video. Do share, comment, subscribe and show me some love.